Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to add Rocket League from Epic Games to Steam. First, open Steam, then open Epic Games. In Epic Games, we need to find where the game is installed. Go to your library, select the game, click the three dots, click Manage, and then click Find Install Folder. There it is. Here we need the binary Win64 folder, and this is where the launcher will be. Perfect. Alright, now over to Steam. Click Add a game, then add a non-Steam game, and type in Rocket. As you can see, nothing comes up, so I'll head back to Epic Games. Here it is. I'll copy this path and click Find. There it is. I'll paste the path here. Go into Binary Win64 and open the launcher. Click Add Selected Programs. And now I have Rocket League right here. That's all there is to it. This has been Weller. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.